Okay, here we are in the articles, information, and post section of our website maintenance training section. So what we're gonna do here is the first thing we're gonna do is we want to go over here to posts, and we're gonna show you how to manage your articles and informations and your comments. So what we want to do here is if you scroll over or hover over posts and scroll over here, as you can see, it'll say all posts, add new categories and tags. What you're going to want to do is click on all posts. Okay. And these are just some example articles that I put in here. What we're going to do in this training video is I'm going to show you guys how to add an article. So what you're going to want to do is go up here or open a new page and put in the top ezinearticles.com, or you could just put in a search engine that says article sites, article marketing sites, and look at any one of these articles. This is a very well-known article site. So we're just going to show you how to use this one. So as you can see, when you pull up this site, it has all these different categories. And you're just going to want to pick on one of these categories. Let's see, we got arts, entertainment, business. How about self-improvement? And if you click on that, you can see it pulls up all these subcategories. Let's go to, I guess, personal growth. Okay. I'm just going to pick one of these at random. I don't know if this is a good article or not, but what you're going to want to do is scroll through these or take the article marketing training and write your own articles. But I'm just going to show you how to add articles in this video with an article marketing site, and also how to modify them, edit them. So basically you'll know how to add an article. So what we're going to do here is we just pick this random article and we're going to highlight the title, copy it. We're going to go back to posts and click add new. Okay, and then we're going to post the title right here and add new post right under here. And then what we're going to do is just highlight this whole section and make sure you get the link in here. Because if you're going to put this on your site, you got to give them credit for their article, and that's what this link is. Alright, so go back here and put that in the body. And if you want, just select this whole thing. Control A. Maybe make it a little bigger if you want. Change the font. Whatever you want to do there. Alright. And there's your article. Now you have one, and what you're going to want to do is pick a category on the right here. Pick a category, or you can just come down here and click add new category. And we'll do this for an example. We'll just add this category. We'll call it breaking through. Alright, breaking through, since that's what this article is about. And we're going to click add new category. And as you can see, it's check marked up here. Alright, next thing you want to do is scroll down. And this is something that you're going to want to do. Pick your featured image, the first one up here. Go ahead and click on this. And just pick one of these. And the size will be 640 by 360. That's the size you want for this. And you can put other sizes as well, but 640 by 360 works very well. So pick one of these and set it, and now you have a featured image. So what'll happen if you take this link from this page when you publish it and put it on Facebook or somewhere, it's going to show this image. Okay, that's going to beef up your site and make people want to click on it. So if you're promoting a product or something, just put an image in here in your featured image. Okay, so keep scrolling down. Now we got our article. We've put it in a category. And we have a featured image. So keep scrolling down. All right. And under post, it says show first featured image. You want to click no on this. Okay, make sure to click no, or that featured image is going to show up on the top of your article up here. That's what it'll do. It'll show the image first right here before all your content. And you can do that if you want. Okay, but that's what will happen. And I disable it. Okay, I put no. Okay, what you're going to want to do now is click publish. And let's take a look at this article. There it is. Now you have an article, and as you can see, you can scroll down here where it says leave a comment and leave a comment. Better yet, okay, so you can leave a comment here and click post. All right. You should give it a read. Just post this article, and that's going to show up under your comments. That's how you can start a discussion forum. So if you go back in here and you click on post again, or if you go down here, I should say, and click on comments, and notice how that picture showed up here too. Okay, and you go down here and click in comments. There it is. You just posted this article. You should give it a read. It's already approved since you're the admin. And that's what you're going to want to do. When you post an article and people come down here and start posting these comments, you're going to want to come back in your back office under comments. Okay, and click on this and you can approve. You're going to need to approve these comments or mark them as spam or trash them. Obviously, it's a legitimate comment, but people are still, a lot of times they're going to try to spam your site. And do the training will show you how to fix that. But if one does get through, you can just come in here and click spam, or you can just approve it if you approve of the comment, or just get rid of it, clicking trash. Okay, that's how you post an article and you manage your content and your information, and you do your comments. Okay, what you want to do, it all starts here in your posts. You come in your post and you add your post, your article. Okay, and then when people comment on it, or you, it's going to show up in these comments. Okay, that's how you want to manage this. All right, and that's how that works. It's very simple. Just click on your posts. This is where they all are, and you can click up here to add new. Or you can just come in here and add new, and you add your post, an article. You can get one from eZine Articles, or you can write your own. Whatever it is that you want to do here. And this is a really good way to get content on your site, especially if you're writing your own or paying other people to, because it's fresh new content. And the more new content you have, and the more articles you have here, the more it's going to rank your site up the search engines. Okay, and that's something you want, and especially the comments too. Because if you have content and people are commenting on these articles, then Google's going to see that, or whatever search engine see that your site is getting activity, and it's going to push it up the search engines. And article marketing, this right here, is one of the best ways to do that. Okay, and go in and into your training, and you can see here, I'll show you really quick. If you do the extensive training, I'll show you how to take this away or edit this however you want and make your article look how you want, and how to put widgets, ads on the side here and in the bottom. So make sure to do that training as well, the article marketing training in the web design training section, because that's going to show you how to put your ads on the side, put links in here, and stuff like that. So make sure to do that. But that's the basics with article marketing. And again, you could just go in here to your articles and just click edit on any one of these and edit articles. And that's how you manage your comments as well. You just go in here to comments. Okay, and that's how that works. So make sure to keep an eye on your comments down here, and when they comment, just hit your approve. It'll say approve, or hit spam or trash or whatever it is that you do, or you can edit it or whatever you do. Reply to it, and that's how you manage your website. That's how you manage your articles. And this is a very good way to, like I said, rank your site. Get these articles posted with original content and get people commenting on them. And the search engines love it. Okay. So that's how that works. Get one posted. Okay, or you can go in here and check the comments as well, or leave one yourself. But make sure to get some activity going on your website, and that's going to help you a lot with traffic. Come in here really quick and show you one thing. Yeah. So I can come here and click no down here. You can play with this too if you want. And again, we did do the extensive training on this. So come down here and I'm going to click no. And I'm going to hide the title bar. Get down on these options. So I just clicked header here and turned the header off. And I turned the title bar off. Matter of fact, let's turn the header on and the title bar off. Or I hit it. Okay, and update it. And you can kind of mess with that, but again, you have training on that, so I don't want to spend too much time here. But I thought that looked a little funny. So I had to get rid of that title bar. See how clean this looks? This looks a lot cleaner. Get rid of that title bar with the articles, because that's more of a front page type thing. So anyway, so get your article posted and make it look good, and do the training. Come down in here and it'll show you how to put widgets on the side and ads, links and stuff like that. But that's how you manage it. You go in here, your back office. This is where you manage your posts. Look, if you click on this, we have different categories here. So all the different categories. And this is where you can, if you click on all posts, that's where you can manage your articles. Okay, you can add new posts. Again, categories, that'll show you, if you click on categories, it'll show you the different categories in the posts. Okay, there's one each on all these categories right here. And you can go to the categories and click on the posts, and then go down here to comments to moderate comments. Approve comments, deny them, spam them, whatever you got to do here, and make your own comments and stuff. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching it. We're gonna end this now, and I think this is gonna be it for the keeping your site up to date. And that's kind of the general overview of your website section. And I highly recommend do this, but also go through all the training as well, because that's going to show you everything you need to do. But this is kind of going to give you an overview and a good idea of how all this works, and how to keep your site updated, and how to make slight changes and stuff like that, the main changes. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We're gonna end this video now, and I hope you enjoyed this little training. We figured out how to manage our pages, how to modify pages. Okay, and we figured out how to log in and how to update our website by going up here to updates. There isn't any now, but if they're here, you're just gonna click update. And we figured out how to put posts by clicking here in posts and putting in articles. All right, and that's going to get you pretty far with your website. Okay, with this training, now you know how to manage your site, how to modify it. So make that page and play with it. You know how to post articles. Okay, right here, you know how to post your articles. And you know how to manage your comments. Okay, so, all right, that's it for this training. We're going to end this video now. Again, appreciate you watching. Have fun with your video, or have fun with your website. And go ahead and go in there and play with your page and make the changes that you want to change, and tinker with your site a bit. And when you can, go through the rest of those videos, and before you know it, you'll know everything about how to design websites, how to set them up, change them, move them around, and everything. But hopefully this was a good overview for you. All right, guys, that's it for this, and we'll see you in another video.